Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to enable profile view in TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the TikTok application. Then in the bottom right corner, click Profile. Right in the upper right corner, click on the three dots. Settings and Privacy. Open the Privacy tab. Scroll to the very bottom, and there are profile views. We have to. If you have it turned off, we need to activate it. Now we go back to our profile. And here we have this setting in the upper right corner. Click on it. And here we can see all the users that have visited our profile in the last 30 days. If we just activated this setting now, it won't work right away. Wait for a certain amount of time, and then it will work. Maybe a couple days, maybe a day, maybe a week, maybe more. This is a simple way to enable a setting called Profile View in TikTok. If it helped them like this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.